Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a chicken veggie soup type of thing. I saw it on Pinterest and it looked really good and easy to make, so I figured why not make it? I'm craving soup, so yeah, the original video I saw did not have chicken, but I'm adding chicken to it because I have a lot of leftover. And I'll show you guys the ingredients in a bit, but I did forget the tomatoes. But I have tomato sauce cans, which let's just pretend it's the same thing. Kind of is. Okay, I don't want to keep making this video long because I know you guys clicked on it, obviously, to see the recipe. So let's get to it. So the ingredients are, well, it's supposed to be 2 tomatoes, but I'm going to use sauce, 1 red bell pepper, tablespoon of nor Suiza, half an onion. Sorry if you guys heard that, it was my dog. Half an onion, 2 garlic cloves, carrots. Probably going to use half of the bag and then cut them up. 3 zucchinis, cabbage, cilantro, and chicken. I will also put the ingredients in the description box. But yeah, we are going to cut everything up, and I'll probably use half, maybe more than half of the cabbage. Same with the chicken. I'm pretty much eyeballing everything, but you guys get the point. Also, I need to invest in a tripod because this is not going to work. Anyways, the zucchini, you pretty much want them into little triangle, cube-sized type pieces. Just like that. I don't know if I'm going to use all 3 zucchinis, but we'll see. The bell pepper, just in strips. We're going to blend it anyways, but just to make it easier to blend, I'm cutting them. What the hell? I don't know what kind of pepper I got because this thing, whatever. All right, guys, so to make the broth, the soup part, it is the onion. Cut it because my little blender thing isn't that big. 2 garlic cloves, and this is when we add also the red bell peppers. And the tomatoes. Crap, I need to open the can. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So you will then add, if you have the tomatoes. If not, do this tomato sauce. All right, and let's blend this baby. All right, that is done. You're gonna notice no matter how long you blend, it's still gonna be a bit thick, but we're adding water later on, so don't be worried, but it should look something like this. Now I just need to chop up some of the carrots. I was lazy, I didn't want to get the full big carrot, so it'll be easier. I already have that chopped up. Need to chop that and chop this one. Let's get to it, y'all. This cabbage is like messy to cut, I swear. Ooh. But we want like little strips of cabbage, or any way you like it, but I prefer strips. To be honest, where the hell am I putting this? Ah! Bye. Okay, just by looking at it, it looks like way too much cabbage, so we'll probably use less. I don't know. I do want leftovers, so y'all are just gonna have to see what I do because clearly I'm not following real instructions. Onto the carrots. Okay, it's been heating up for a good 5 minutes. I'm gonna add a tiny, well, I don't know if that's a tiny bit, but some oil, not too much. And then, this is when you guys get your little tomato creation. There's still some left over, so let me wash it real quick. And by wash, I meant like put in water to get the rest of it out. Okay, and we are going to be adding 4 cups of water to that. Okay, so far I've done 2 cups, and I think I'm just gonna stick to 3 because I don't have a huge pot. Sorry that I don't have a tripod or someone to film me. I'm all alone. So I'm trying my best. I'm gonna probably keep like, I don't know. I'm gonna find a way to set this up so I could just do it. So far, this is the only option I have for you guys to somewhat see. Okay, I'm just gonna grab a handful of the cabbage. Throw that in. Gotta really dig it in there. I pretty much did add the entire cabbage that I cut, if you guys remember. Oh crap, maybe I put too much. Zucchini time. You guys see zucchinis? Right, now carrots. This pot is pretty full. I don't know if the chicken's gonna fit in there. Dang it. I need to get a bigger pot. Whatever. We're gonna do this. Pollito. Let's try. Oh. I'm making it work because I did not chop up all these things for nothing. Okay, so I already put in the chicken. Let me show y'all. Chicken, you got your carrots, zucchini, and the cabbage. I'm really pushing it in there because I put a ton of water, but it's okay. I'll figure something out. I'll probably keep taking out more water. And then the whole thing of cilantro, I'm just gonna push it in there. It's really just for flavor. You don't really need it into your soup when you're eating it. I don't even know what I just said, but just leave it in there for flavor. Do not forget, I almost forgot, just a tablespoon of this chicken bouillon. And then stir and cover it, or just like cover it halfway and let it boil for around 15-20 minutes. I'm just learning this recipe, so that's what I'm saying now. But I will let you know towards the end of the video. For now, I'm gonna put a timer for 15 minutes and keep checking on it. All right, let's mix this thing up. Well, that recipe was a little stressful. It said 4 cups of water, 3 zucchinis. I was following all that, but it's kind of a lot. Unless the chick had some like humongous pot like for tamales and stuff, but like I was using a regular one. Whatever. Grabbed myself a glass of wine and gonna sit here with my babies outside until the soup is ready so I can show you guys, because I'm also really hungry. Come here, guys. Okay. Just to let you guys know, the house smells amazing. It's been like 12 minutes. I just wanted to come check on it, but it's looking good. Just kind of want to mix it. Yeah, the zucchini definitely still needs to cook. Other than that, it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Cooking and making the house smell good. There's the cilantro. Okay, we're gonna give it a few more minutes. Freaking cut my pinky when I was washing dishes. Okay, I'm not kidding. It smells freaking amazing. And it's so, well, I don't know how good it is, but I cannot wait. I'm probably just gonna let it, I turned down the heat already to low. Just gonna let it sit for maybe 10 more minutes, then pour myself a bowl because it looks good, and I'm proud of myself. I really thought it was like a fail, but I still need to try it, but Looking at it, it looks good. Smells good. I just have to taste it, but I'll be back in 10 more minutes. Gonna keep drinking my wine and suffering right. That was embarrassing. You guys weren't supposed to see that. I don't have a Band-Aid, but yeah, it hurts. It is ready for me to make myself a little bowl. So let's get to this. Finished product. I know my avocado looks retarded, but yes, I added some avocado and sliced up half of a lime. But this is what it looks like. May look gross, but I'm hoping, praying that it's gonna taste delicious. So let's do the taste test. Gonna add my lemon.
I'm scared. I think it's hot as hell.
Oh my god. This is good. This is really good. Actually, I can have a ton of this. Flavorful and healthy. And I made a ton of it. So my mom better eat some. But it's delicious, you guys. Try it. I know I was a whole mess, but I'll get better. This recipe was just like weird. There was really no instructions besides. It was kind of like pictures. Didn't really say what to do. I was just guessing, and I guessed okay because it is bomb. That's so good. So good. You guys can even add celery, queso fresco. You can kind of make it like a tortilla soup, tortilla strips and stuff. But the avocado and limon, it is good. Okay, I need to watch my true crime stuff. I need to watch my true crime stuff while I eat. So bye, y'all. Make this recipe and comment down below what videos you want to see so I can record some more cool stuff because I'm bored a lot. So I just want to film. Or do you guys want to see my life? It's fun here and there on the weekends. Okay, bye.